Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today we are going to take these bamboo hoops and transform them into six one-of-a-kind glam home decor pieces. These wooden pieces from the Dollar Tree come in a package of two. You can see one is larger than the other. In addition to the bamboo hoops, we'll be using this square bowl also from the Dollar Tree as a platform for the wooden pieces to sit on. These bowls come in a package of two, and you can see they have a mirror-like finish. As we work through each piece, I'll be using a number of tools and materials mostly from the dollar store. Any tools or materials not from the dollar store, I will post links in the description box where you may purchase them. For our first decor piece, we'll be painting the bamboo hoops with some silver metallic paint. For this step, I have chosen to use a little sponge brush. The better the quality of the acrylic paint, the fewer coats you will need to apply. Since I'm using dollar store paint, I had to apply 3 coats. But the good news about acrylic paint is that it dries very quickly, especially when applied to wood. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once the hoops are painted and fully dried, it's time to embellish them. Here I have this beautiful rhinestone ribbon which I bought from Amazon. I'll leave a link below to my Amazon store where you can purchase the same rhinestone ribbon. What I like about this ribbon is that it can be cut to size. It also comes with a self-adhesive backing, so no additional glue is required. You'll notice that I have chosen to apply the rhinestone ribbon to both the outer and inner portions of the hoops, along with the sides. If you don't have enough or don't prefer as much bling, you can opt to cover just the outer part of the hoops. Next, take the square bowl and we are going to use the same rhinestone ribbon to trim the bottom outer rim of the bowl. You can cut the ribbon to any width you prefer. And if you don't have any rhinestone ribbon, you can choose any other diamond wrap or trim that you prefer. You can even adhere some clear gem stickers or pearl beads instead. Once done, set the bowl aside so we can work on our light source. Here I have a clear Christmas ornament ball that actually looks like a light bulb. We are going to twist the cap off so we can remove the little string and then poke a hole through the middle so that the string of fairy lights that we'll be using later can be strung through. These fairy lights were purchased on Amazon, and at time of purchase, they came to about $1 a piece when bought in bulk. It also comes with a battery along with a convenient on-off switch. Once the string lights are inserted into the bulb, twist the cap back on, making sure that you leave a few inches of the on-off switch hanging out. Now we are going to assemble all our pieces together. Set the silver bowl upside down on the table, then taking a large hoop, set it onto the center of the bowl, and then adhere the smaller hoop inside the larger hoop in a perpendicular fashion. You'll notice that I left about a ½ centimeter gap towards the outside and towards the bottom of the hoop. This is so I can adhere the hoop to the square bowl, and for this step I recommend to use a small dollop of hot glue to adhere the hoops. My hot glue gun was purchased from Amazon, and I'll leave a link below if you would like to purchase the same one. I like this one because especially it comes with a very small nozzle to allow for precise gluing. Here I'm sitting the light bulb to the bottom center of the hoop with a little hot glue applied to the cap. When you're done, the piece should look something like this. I have the on-off switch discreetly and conveniently hanging out the back, and when the bulb is turned on, it gives a beautiful glow that adds a nice ambience to the room. Stay till the end to see what it looks like after dark. You will be amazed at how sparkly the rhinestones look against the lights bouncing from the light bulb. In the meantime, we are going to work on our second decor piece. For this, we are going to take the solar garden light and embellish the top piece with the same rhinestone ribbon that we used earlier. Once done, detach the top part that we just embellished and using some hot glue, adhere it to the center of the hoops so it stands upright with the mini solar panels facing upwards. Once everything is secured and stable, this is what our second decor piece will look like. When the sun goes down, this solar lamp will light up, giving a nice glow in the room. For our third piece, we are going to take these 3 icicle pieces I found in the holiday section of the Dollar Tree and hang them vertically from the larger hoop. These icicles light up as well and come with the batteries. Once you have hung them up, this is what it looks like. You'll notice that for this piece, I have chosen to place the smaller hoop flat inside the larger hoop, parallel to the table. For our next piece, we are going to first decorate a plastic baseball with a string of silver and gold necklace beads. If you don't have any on hand, you can actually skip this step and simply take any one of your Christmas ornament balls instead. And here's the homemade ornament ball hung in the center of the large hoop. It was easy to hang by simply using an ornament hook. Alternatively, you could also use a piece of ribbon to tie it to the hoop. And here I have placed an LED candle in the center of the hoop. I embellished the candle with a butterfly gem sticker. And for our last piece, I have placed a clear glassy reindeer to the center. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Comment down below and let me know which piece you like the best. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, please hit the notification bell and check out these next videos for more DIY glam home decor ideas.